Hi, this is the Leica Disto X4. Just see how beautiful it looks. This is where the battery is inserted. You insert the battery like this. You open the battery cover. Push it. And close the end piece. It has a rubberized housing. It is drop tested to 2 meters, so you can use it in very harsh conditions as well. It is IP65 dust water protected. So you turn it on by pressing this button. So this is the default screen. You get the battery life here. This is the inclination, at what incline the meter is held at, and you can change the units as well. If you want it in different units, like this is in 1 decimal place, you can also increase it to 3 decimal or 4 decimal in meters, as well as in units, as well as in other units like inches, feet. The important thing is this has a camera, so you can see here. This is the camera. This is the place where the laser is emitted, and this is the receiver. This is the laser is received from this point. This particular model has a camera inside. So why is a camera required for such meters? Basically, what happens is when we are using such meters in broad daylight outdoors, the laser is not visible to the human eye. So I'll just show you how and what the problem is and why the camera is given in this model. So I have turned this on now, and you can see I am just pointing this at a building. You can see, can you see the laser on the building? It is very difficult to sight the laser. It is very difficult to sight the laser. Even if you go and measure at a distance of around 15-20 meters, it is very difficult. It is very difficult to sight the point. So here what happens is, when we are measuring, you can see the crosshair here. The crosshair is the point where the laser is hitting. So you can also zoom in on this point by pressing this button. And also zoom in on this point and easily measure. So this is in mm. You can also change the units, as I told you in my previous video. This is how you change the units. This is in mm now. You can also change it to the desired result. So this is 54 meters now. I can easily know where I am hitting, at which point I am hitting on the screen itself. So there are no ambiguities here. When the camera is not there, you fail to understand where this point is hitting. It might also hit probably on this car here, or anyone walking on the road. It might also hit anyone. So it is very difficult to identify that. So when there is a camera, the camera shows you where the point is hitting. That is very important.